Hi guys, welcome back to Fame Ebong TV, and in today's video I want to teach you guys resin art. This resin is actually a method of using two epoxy, a hardener and a resin to form structures like this. You can use it to form any type of structure as long as you have the mold to bring out that structure. So I want to teach you guys how I made these images using a resin and a hardener. So if you want to learn more of this skill, you can do well by joining my online class. We run classes on resin art. We'll teach you how this is done. We will teach you where to purchase your materials for resin art and the chemicals you need. If you don't know where to purchase them, I will assist you. That is what the class is all about. You'll be taught how this is done. You'll be taught about the measurements. Then if you don't know where to purchase the materials, I will assist you in purchasing them. We sell them. We sell the resin and the hardener. We have the equipment. We have all the molds that you need. So if you need this class, you just simply check the video description. You will find a link where you can join the class. There you will learn a lot about resin and how to become a pro in the resin business. You can literally learn this skill and start up a resin business where you can be producing images of all sorts and be selling them in the market. So if you need this class, don't forget to check the video description to join the class, or you reach me on the phone number I'll be displaying in this video. You just watch this video, you'll find a phone number, you reach me through that phone number to learn or to join the class where you can learn more about the resin art. So just watch this video and enjoy. So after 6 hours, the resin is ready to be taken out of the mold. You can see how this looks like. Very nice, very lovely, very beautiful. You can literally produce different images with these resin chemicals. You can produce any type of image. You can produce up to key holders. There's a lot you learn. There's a lot of things you produce. You can produce tables, very beautiful furnitures, table surfaces. There's a lot you produce with this resin chemical. If you join the class, you will learn a lot of art, a lot of skills with this. Just reach me through that phone number I displayed on WhatsApp, chat me up on WhatsApp, or you reach me through the video description to join the class. Thank you all for watching, and see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.